I will show to you how to do the calibration using the SciPop. So the back part, okay, you switch on and off, okay, make sure that the air and the oxygen is attached, okay, the air and oxygen is attached, then press this back part to switch on, okay, so this will be the first screen that will show to you. After that, silent the alarm. Okay, press the cal to calibrate the oxygen cell. So next will be on 9 liters per minute. So on SciPop it should be on line 9 liters per minute, but for CPAP alone, okay, CPAP, the old CPAP, it should be on 8 liters per minute to show 4 centimeter water, 5 centimeter water, and 6 until 6 centimeter water. So it's fluctuating if it's used to the patient. Okay, the next one for the pressure high, it should be on the 3, but the initial can be set until 2, 3, or 4. But I'll put on 3. The next one is this is the FiO2. So just adjust this one on 21%, and then take this one. Okay, next. Okay, this is 21%. Now we need to go to 100% FiO2. So just turn this knob 100%. Okay, and then take this one. So it should be on 100% FiO2. So the purpose of this is to calibrate the oxygen sensor if it's working or not. If the oxygen sensor is not working and then you're not doing your calibration, okay, in your monitor parameter it will give you inaccurate reading. So for example, the doctor will set FiO2 into 30%. Okay, but in your monitor parameter it will show you only 20 or 25%. So it means that you have problem with your oxygen cell.